What's up, Supreme Nation? Supreme Nation back with another Amazon unboxing from WWE Marketplace. So, I ordered this on February. I can tell it is official unboxing because it came in the box today. So, got my unboxing knife here. So, no further ado, let's open this bad boy up and see what did I get. Okay, got it open. Let's see. Okay. Got the receipt. So these are the items that I got. But you can't see them. Okay. Wow. First item out of the box. It is RJ's seasoning salt. It has a picture of RJ right here. And the packaging is really awesome. So this expires by 2nd 2020, so next year. So RJ seasoning sauce. That's the first item. The first item right there. It's the last item in the bag. I mean in the box. Which that's it. Okay. Sticker. You might know who this is. Let's open this bad boy up and see what it is. It is Adam Cole, baby. Really cool t-shirt. My very first NXT t-shirt, baby. Adam Cole. And right there, if you look in the middle, it says Adam Cole. On the back, Undisputed Era. And then right here, you have the NXT right here. And then right here, we got the NXT patch right here. And pretty all, this shirt looks dang cool, boy. This shirt is phenomenal, guys. Adam Cole, baby. T-shirt. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Comment down below if you want me to do more unboxings like this. And yeah, and always stay supreme. Supreme Nation out.